Hello, pumpkin dudes. Did I flip mode? Yes, I did. I put my hair into this. Put my hair in this little ponytail because I plan on washing my hair, rinsing it. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it. I probably get another sew-in because if it's up to me, my natural hair will look like this like all the time. I just don't do hair. Like I don't know. A wig or a sew-in is way better. Anywho, I literally did this 12-minute makeup look. He want to go outside. So we outside and y'all finna hang with us for a little bit.
We got some money, though.
Say hi to the vlog.
What's up?
Okay, so we're hanging with Josh today.
That's the one thing I do like about it.
Yeah, the double wash.
Because you can shade it too.
Like mine. Sooner or later, turning your favor.
I read something about the Mercedes-Benz. They say these things are so built for noise reduction. If you don't crack a window and keep your climate thing on, you can die from oxygen.
Really?
Or get glizzy from no oxygen.
What?
Yeah.
Hey y'all, so my husband taking care of whatever he got to take care of, and I'm just waiting on him. So I was about to start reading, but I guess I would just tell y'all about my little cozy book I've been reading since I don't know how long he gonna be in there. But let me just tell y'all real quick. I was just telling y'all I took all the decorations off my Kindle. I even had the protector off this, and I just had it bare like this. And the only reason why I kept this Kindle scan on here is because I have a front Kindle scan, but I didn't put it on there yet because for one, y'all, I have been indecisive lately. So yeah, we just gonna decorate it when I get my thoughts together. When I really feel like whatever color I want to go for. I actually like the front being black like this and saying Kindle for some odd reason. I don't know. This is the book that I am reading now. It is the second book in the Dream Harbor series. Siri, I did not call you. Okay. The first one is The Pumpkin Spice Cafe. I read that book last year. Nice, cute little book. The books are cute, fallish. Like, I don't know how far apart the books came out from each other, but this one I read last year, and it's almost like a year later, summer going into fall, almost like now in real time. But in this book, and now it's about to go into Christmas. And then I will read the Christmas because it's going into Christmas. So I'm not sure if these got something to do with like after Christmas or next summerish fall. But we'll know when we get there. I like to read books like that goes with the season. It makes me feel a little bit more connected to the season and enjoying the coziness. The Spice Cafe, it is by Laurie Gilmore. It is a cute Hallmark book, small town romance. I love small town romance. It makes you feel more like connected to the people. I don't know. That's how I feel. But yeah, so Pumpkin Spice Cafe, it follows a character by the name of Jenny and her aunt name is Dot. So Jenny was like a city girl. She moved basically to go be the new owner of her auntie cafe. Her auntie just like gave her the cafe and was like, girl, basically you do whatever you do with it. And then let me just hold on, let me just pause say this, because what I do like is that even though the covers are like cute little covers, they really don't judge a book by its cover. Because even though you'll look at this and be like, oh, that might be just a little cute little book, it really is like a good nice little book. So yeah, anywho, so her aunt Dot left her cafe and basically told her to do whatever it is that she do with it. And so she was blindsided because she absolutely had no idea how to even run a business, a cafe, yet alone. She started to feel like her town, the small town, didn't want her there. So weird things started happening, and she thought that someone was trying to rob her house. There was a guy that basically, I think he was delivering stuff. I'll have to brush up my memory on it. I think he was like delivering like little pumpkins or little items to the cafe for her aunt. So he just kept doing it, you know, just out of, that's what he did. That was my husband right there. So he just, okay, he ain't walking his way yet, so he ain't ready. So basically, she asked the guy who was delivering like items back and forth. Like, she really didn't know if it was him for real or like what, but she went ahead and asked him, can he help her like basically figure it out, or can he, because she didn't know anyone else in the town. Yeah, so Logan grew up with his grandparents because his parents got killed in a car accident, I believe. And during those difficult times, he grew up, and like during school, he had a friend named Hazel, and Hazel and him basically grew up as brother and sister. And they've been like very close. Like, she was just like a close sister slash another granddaughter to his family. So Hazel and Jenny got close because of Logan. And then now the next book is following Hazel's story. So what I do like is that it's following each person's story line, basically. So Hazel basically worked in a Cinnabon bookstore. Someone was basically plotting against her, doing things to her like to make her basically go on a scavenging hunt to figure out who they are. She asked Logan's friend to basically help her figure it out. Now, Logan's friend name is Noah. Noah is the small town tourist. He's the type that he don't want to settle down. He's like parties and whatever, but she took it upon herself, and she just basically asked him like, hey, basically, I think somebody trying to set me up, somebody's plotting against me, and can you basically help me figure this thing out? So I am on like the 13th chapter. A lot more has happened, but I don't want to say what happened because just in case y'all want to read the book. In all the books, they have like a nice little playlist, like an actual playlist that you can listen to different songs while you're reading. And then they have like a map of how Dream Harbor is. So this is the map of Dream Harbor. I like that. That is so cool. It just lets you know like, oh, okay, so they stay right there and they did this and then they went over there, and then yeah. This is the Pumpkin Spice Cafe. I love how the covers look. This is so cute. The Christmas Tree Farmhouse. This is the Strawberry Patch Pancake House. And it's so cute. If y'all can see like really how detailed it is. Like this. guys, so we're back home for a little bit. I just want to show you guys my weight vest that I purchased. This is the 10-pound weight vest, and it's gonna go like this. And it is kind of, I could have did for the 12-pound, but I mean, if this one is okay, I can move up in pounds, like get a 12-pound. Oh my! So, wait a minute, B, I'm recording. If I get a 12-pound, then I just get this to my daughter. Okay, let us do a little hobby. A little bit of Hobby Lobby. These are papers that I'm going to use as inserts for my Kindle. I was basically telling y'all earlier how it just look boring right now. And then I got these two for Christmas and the holiday. Okay. It's okay. It's okay, Mama's little baby. Mama love her little baby. Want a hug? I want a hug too. It's okay, Mama, little baby. Hey y'all, so I'll pick up where I left off. I'm not really gonna get in the camera because I'm just waking up. It's early in the morning trying to get this done before my other little people wake up. It's only me and Isaiah woke right now. He's over there on the couch on his iPad. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. Back to where I left off. I got this from Ross. This nice little jacket. So cute. I feel like it go with my, well, it did go with my Birkenstocks that I had on yesterday. This jacket, I think it was probably for little girls or something, but it was only $7.49. Okay, so these are some items I got from HomeGoods. My hair, I have to wash my hair. Wash it, fix it up. This dish mat for the sink. And got these mittens. I got this nice wooden tray. I need this for the kitchen. I'm gonna show y'all like when I do my kitchen update. I got these like matches for my candle. I'm not gonna keep the matches in here. I'm gonna take them out and find a little another little holder. Turn this side. Yeah. I got this nice vase from them. Nice big round opening. Yeah. Here, it's nice reindeer. And then I got this. This is a candle. And then I got a cute little candle. But I'm gonna put this up and just wait. I want to show you guys the other two items. These are the other two items. I'm gonna put these outside by the garage. And then I'm gonna buy the wreath that go to these to put over the garage. And then it's two like of the longer ones that hangs like on the lights. Yeah.